Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the 24-hour time on the Journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the settings icon at the lower bar at the lower right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the calendar options section, the second, and go to the second option, the 24-hour time, and if you want to enable, click to the next white circle, and if it click to the OK, and if it will be turned rose, you can you just enabled, and if you want to turn off, just click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.